Alright, so here you go. And this is beautiful right through here. Man. Don't screw this corner up, though.
Cowboy hats? Oh, that's kind of funny. Looks like the village people died back there. Did you see that?
No, I sure didn't. I still think that'd be a cool building to fix up.
This place looks deserted.
Mm-hmm. So we are going to go right on 55 right here. And that will take us up to meet. What's that, baby?
Just the place looks so deserted. There's hardly anybody moving around.
Yeah.
Kind of like some type of apocalyptic movie, except for a little old guy on a scooter.
If you turn left right here at the bank, make sure they don't run over us. If you turn right there, that's where the Los Rios campground is.
Oh, okay.
Right off the Nueces River.
This is nice with the trees right there. It's a nice shaded area.
Beautiful. Did you notice we just turned on to 335?
I noticed we turned.
Okay, we are now...
335, yeah.
We are now on 335.
Noted. Duly noted.
So the sign directed us to the town of Vance on 335, the exit. It seemed like I remember getting into some of this area on 335, and there were some big homes that almost reminded me of like wine plantations that you see in Italy.
Oh, wow.
Same rules apply on 335. There's a lot of this you could be tempted to go really fast on, but you got to be mindful of driveways coming and going off this road. If you come up over one of these hills, there's a driveway and somebody's pulling out. If you're going too fast, you're never going to have time to recalculate. Look at that, is gorgeous.
Yeah. But they've got a nice little view.
I have a feeling they have a nice everything.
This side probably is pretty nice too.
I would think so. Pretty fancy schmancy. Look at all the broken glass on the top.
Yeah. Is that for people or birds?
Huh, interesting. I think that's what you call the ultimate keep out.
Yeah.
Broken glass on the top. Yeah, that could be bad.
Probably shut off. Look at the prehistoric bird, baby. That's funny.
Oh. Yield. Yeah, no.
I think we can do that.
No kidding, Sherlock. I gotcha.
Well, that was a good reason not to bomb through some of this going too terribly fast.
Yeah, really.
Because that was not that way last time I came through here.
No. Construction work.
That is absolute proof that just because you've been somewhere doesn't mean it's always the same. Man, it's so beautiful.
Hello, people.
Oh, yeah.
We are going to junction 41. So that's a good note on your Three Sisters ride. You actually don't ride the Three Sisters the whole time. You actually get off and breathe for a while.
Sorry.
You like that?
Oh,
Was that wrong?
oh, that's wrong. Well, it lasts more than 8 seconds, right?
That's still considered a ride. In fact, in some
Maybe to you.
in fact, in some sports, that's considered a really good ride.
Yeah.
That's pretty. I forgot about having these on this side in my memory coming the other direction. I thought we had more on our right-hand side.
I wonder if my speaker's going out, because I'm hearing a lot of crackling when you talk.
You don't use it that much.
Oh, it's gone now. That's weird.
Probably just actually kind of glad going this way. It kind of gives me a new perspective on this ride and refreshes my memory that if you are on this side, you still get more of that rock, you know, right there on your right-hand side. It's kind of fun to be against. So I still that makes me maintain that I think this is the better direction to go from Lakey to Camp Wood first, so that you're right up against the rocks making the turns, the curves on 337. when we get up here to junction 41, we're already over half through this whole ride, Robin.
Oh, good. Okay.
We'll jump down 41, which is a real straight shot, and then you'll connect onto 36, and that drops you right back into Lakey, and just in time to cool down in the heat of the day in the river.
That sounds good.
At the Rio Frio.
The Rio Frio.
Yeah.
Look.
Sorry.
It's okay.
So I think we're getting into the funner section of 335 now.
Funner section. Don't listen, Dad.
We are getting into the more fun section of 335, headed north to junction 41.
Uh-huh.
Woo! Dip, baby, dip. Kind of cool view looking at the river over there.
Uh-huh.
So when we get on 336, it's a lot like this, where you kind of feel like you're riding on top of the hills. Kind of different. And there's lots of this, a lot of those solar-powered turn markers, curve markers. It's a really cool section of roller coaster on 335.
Oh, that smells like oil again.
Yeah. I think that was maybe oil and tar where they were fixing roads.
Yeah.
And hopefully not our motorcycle.
That's what I'm hoping.
So, Robin,
Yeah?
happy anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary, hon.
This is our 12th anniversary ride. 12 years of being married, 12 years of road tripping on this
Yeah? True.
on the same motorcycle.
On the same motorcycle.
Man, that is gorgeous.
Yeah.
That is just beautiful. Yeah, James would thoroughly enjoy this ride, Robin.
Yeah, I'll bet he would.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. Feel like I could slip right off the motorcycle. Butt sweating so bad.
your butt sweating?
Yep.
Huh, I wonder if I just get more air up here. Here. start getting to the higher areas on 335, you're real close to junction 41. There's a tree right up ahead where we can pull over, right up on the right. And stretch your leg. And have shade. Mountain home is the direction we want to go.
That's a nice little tree. And a lot of rocks.
Yeah. I know this is going to sound really weird, but I really wanted to put Robbie's glasses right here.
Oh.